Behind me are the ancient walls of Jerusalem. Over 2,400 years ago, Nehemiah was called while serving the king of the Persian Empire to come to Israel and rebuild the city walls. Against all odds, but relying on God's promises, Nehemiah and his generation succeeded in this mission, and they rebuilt the city of Jerusalem. They didn't realize it at the time, but they were making it ready in preparation for the Messiah's first coming. We at One for Israel believe the Bible is true. We believe the Messiah will return to his home address, Israel. Jesus is returning to Jerusalem, just as he said, and we are here building the spiritual walls of Jerusalem for Messiah's second coming. We trust in God for our rescue in the physical, and we also look to God for the spiritual, salvation for both Jew and Arab. We are serving Messiah Yeshua together, sharing the gospel, making disciples, training leaders, and blessing our communities, all in the name of Yeshua. Right now, it is a time of war in Israel. Many of our family members, staff, and students have been called to active duty. What's amazing is that all of the ministry teams at One for Israel, whether it's working with soldiers, media, delivering humanitarian aid, or even academic faculty, have all been perfectly prepared for this moment so we can respond swiftly and effectively to the needs around us. One for Israel is ready for such a time as this. People in Israel and throughout the Middle East are hungry and thirsty for a message of hope. Our media outreach in Hebrew and Arabic is reaching millions in Israel and beyond our borders. Our evangelistic videos in Hebrew have over 1 million views a month in Israel alone. And our Hebrew Bible app is the most popular of its kind in the world. Over 20,000 people a month visit our Bible website, listening, reading, and downloading the New Testament. During this time of war, our humanitarian aid team is responding to the huge needs that have arisen. We are standing with our people, sending relief on a very large scale to those who've lost everything. At a time when the world demands everyone chooses a side, we are coming together in unity. Jewish and Arab pastors who've graduated our seminary pray and serve together to show the world the difference Yeshua makes. Our soldiers' ministry has become more important and more active than ever before. We are sending daily devotionals, spiritual encouragements, and practical help to those who serve. We've seen God working in this way in every facet of our ministry. These troubled times are just a preview of what's to come. But we know there is a great harvest still to be gathered in. God has not finished with us. We believe this is just the beginning. If you believe that God still has plans and purposes for Israel, this is the time to act and join with God as He carries out His words. Don't stand on the sidelines. You can play an important part in the action. Join with us and become one for Israel.